Good day and welcome to our short explanation of how to change the drum on a Samsung. Well, it's actually a whole lot of Samsungs, but in this case it's going to be done on a C460W. But that's the same as a CLP 360, 65, same as a CLX 3300, 3305, 33 blah 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 blah, C410, and yeah, I guess that's about it. So it's all of those products. It's pretty straightforward, and we're going to show you how to change the toner, the waste toner bottle, and the drum. So let's do that. It's pretty straightforward. Start popping out the toners. Keep them in order. You don't really have to, but it's just easier. So I just pull them out, put them back in reverse order. There we go. Now the waste toner bottle is pretty hard to get out. So what you do is you put your hand at the back here and you just squeeze it out. There you go. And you'll see here that there's a bunch of toner. I've already emptied this one out. So, but basically, you just tip it over a very small. You just tip it over a very small plastic bag and shake it out, and you'll see an enormous amount of toner come out. So let's pop that over to the side. Now this is important when you're pulling out the old drum. What you need to do is put your finger at the back here and pull, and then the rest of your hand here and pull straight out. Don't lift it up. Otherwise it gets weird. There we go. That's happy. There's the drum out. Pretty straightforward. Nothing consequential. By the way, I'd recommend you buy a knockoff drum. And I say that because the knockoff drums are using the same chassis and they're just literally changing the metal drums. These parts can be replaced, and lots of guys do that. So I would buy that because in Canada, the $160 that they're asking for the drum is a bit nutty. So I can get a remanufactured drum for this part, which is the R406, for much less than the 160 that seems to be retailing at everywhere. And again, when you're putting this back together, put it in flat. Put everything back in flat. So I get some flat and just push. There you go. Then the waste toner bottle that you've emptied out. You don't have to, by the way, but I would. Just slide that in. There we go. And then put your toners back in. Black on bottom, in case you're not clear. K is black. C cyan. There we go. And magenta. And yellow. There we go. Then close the door. Plug it back in. When you're done plugging it back in, press the power button on the top, and everything should be fine. If you have any questions, please get a hold of us at www.urtech.ca. Thank you. Bye-bye.